Importance of healthy meal. In our bustling world, convenience often wins. But repeatedly choosing the quick snacks of drive-thrus and vending machines can negatively impact our mental and physical health. A nutritious meal isn't just about physique, it's critical to longevity, wellness, and life quality. 1. Nutritional balance. Our body's brain and muscle operations hinge on diverse nutrients. A balanced meal ensures we're sufficiently nourished, from energy-boosting carbohydrates to cell-repairing proteins. 2. Weight regulation. Balanced meals deter weight-related issues. Overindulgence in calorie-rich, nutrient-poor foods escalates risks like diabetes, while under-eating can lead to debilitating malnutrition. 3. Immunity boost. A healthy meal, rich in vitamins and minerals like C, E, and zinc, can strengthen the immune system. A robust immune system is our primary defense against diseases and infections. 4. Mental health benefits. The importance of a healthy meal extends to our mental health as well. Essential fatty acids, like those found in fish, flaxseed, and walnuts, are crucial for brain function. Deficiencies in certain nutrients can even lead to depressive disorders. Moreover, fluctuations in blood sugar levels, often caused by infrequent eating or consuming sugary foods, can affect mood and energy. 5. Disease prevention. Culinary crises affect chronic disease risks. For instance, high-salt diets can lead to hypertension. Prioritizing health in our meals reduces these risks. 6. Digestive health. Eating a diet rich in fiber found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains promotes healthy digestion by helping to prevent constipation and other digestive problems. 7. Steady energy. Unlike fatigue after a greasy meal, balanced diets offer persistent energy thanks to their controlled influence on blood sugar. 8. Skin health. Vitamins and minerals in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds are essential for maintaining healthy skin. For instance, vitamin C found in citrus fruits aids in collagen production, ensuring skin remains elastic and youthful. Vitamins and minerals in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds are essential for maintaining healthy skin. For instance, vitamin C found in citrus fruits aids in collagen production, ensuring skin remains elastic and youthful.